Hey guys, morning. Guess what? We're at it again on the delivery chain. Now, one of our customers work at Brood Awakening. Do you know Brood Awakening? Brood Awakening is a secret spot in Kingston. Ligonier to be exact. If you want to go on that really nice breakfast date, this is where you go. Breakfast meeting. It's a good place. One of the servers there is one of our customers. Now we're taking it to her. Follow me. She's gonna be a happy one because we're, of course, on time all the time. As a matter of fact, today we're ahead of time for her. All right. So we're waiting on her. But guess what? Because she's at work, we gotta wait a few minutes, and we do that for our customers, just so you can have your package on time all the time, just the way you like it. Okay? Stay with us. We're gonna get it done today.